GBC. My name is Kemi Chukwu. First, the major items. Governor Abiodun, the government is renewing commitment to tackling cultism and other vices. The governor, Prince Dapo Abiodun, says the current administration will continue at the ESCO chamber with a charge for them to work closely by cooperating with commissioners of their various ministries in order to achieve the objectives of the current administration in building a virile state. As he said, the appointment of the new permanent secretaries would further strengthen the civil service, adding that it was based on merit, hard work, and diligence without any lobbying, while promising that the government remains committed to repositioning the state, the government to the third state and local government workers. In the meantime, the government has a dual trade and investment, Mr. Adebola Shufela Ogosima, this Tuesday in his Okimoso office. Mr. Shufela noted that the ministry would continue to drive the vision of the administration to make the state the number one priority of the state and its people. The commissioner assured of the government's continuous collaboration with stakeholders in the field of commerce and industry, particularly Ogosima. He also assured of continuous collaboration on the. Meanwhile, Governor Dapo Abiodun is to present the 2024 budget proposal before the State House of Assembly on Thursday at 10 a.m. The Speaker, the Right Honorable Olakunle Oluomo, read Mr. Governor's letter during this Tuesday's plenary. The Right Honorable Oluomo urged all guests to be seated by 9 a.m. The Speaker also announced the constitution of Fund Management Committee for the House. The five-man committee has Assemblymen Damilola Shoroye, representing Ogun Central, Adeleye Lukman, Ogun East. The committee will be inaugurated at a later date. In another development, the government has been urged to expedite action on the full implementation of primary health care, PHC, under one roof. This is with a view to improving the coordination and nutrition. Akomin, Mr. Lekon Shodipo, who said this, acknowledged on the prevalence of malaria in Nigeria. Mr. Shodipo, who identified unhygienic living conditions as part of the factors hindering the efforts to eliminate malaria in the country, called on the government, community leaders, and individuals to maintain proper hygiene and dispose of waste appropriately. The Akomin deputy coordinator also saw the need for the government to implement effective recruitment and retention strategies to attract and retain skilled healthcare professionals who will provide quality malaria and other health services, just as he advised members of the public to always go for testing and proper treatment whenever they feel feverish. Malaria has been yielding positive results as community stakeholders now take ownership of health interventions, particularly in malaria. You are listening to the state news of OGBC 90.5 FM. Thuggery, kidnapping, birth of the nation, they constitute a dent on homes and the larger society. The special advisor to the governor on security matters, retired AIG Olushola Subaru, said this in Abeokuta on Monday when members of the Nigerian Armed Forces Land and Staff College, JAGI, who are on a study tour to Subaru, pointed out that the current administration in the Gateway State is addressing the issues using multiple approaches, such as establishing a special court, forming a joint operational force comprising various security agencies, and implementing a death penalty for courtesan offenses, adding that the government has also engaged in community advocacy through the assistance of traditional rulers. Speaking in an interview, the head of the team, Navy Captain Timothy Ibo, said the state is one of the peaceful states in Nigeria, saying that the team is happy about the work the security agencies are doing in the state. Navy Captain Ibo observed that there is adequate synergy among the security agencies in combating contemporary internal security. Earlier, the senior security consultant to the governor, retired Commissioner of Police Edward Ajogun, said the efforts to reduce insecurity in the state should not be left to the government and security agents alone, but should be the collective responsibility of all. Vocational and technical skills should be prioritized by stakeholders to stem the tide of in Abeokuta. He observed that Nigeria, with its increasing population, more than half of which are young people under the age of 24, has the potential to benefit from its demographic dividends if the youth are exposed to vocational and technical skills. According to him, the youth are key to the economic development of the country due to their creativity and potentials. The entrepreneur added that the youth have great role to play in the nation's development. Therefore, they need to make technical and vocational skills attractive to them. The governor, Prince Dabo Abiodun, has been lauded for the pledge to support the family of the late Iyalode of Yoruba land, Chief Alaba Lawson, to give her a befitting burial. Addressing newsmen on Monday in Abeokuta on the activities put together for the final home journey of the renowned woman of substance, the chairman of the Central Planning Committee, Chief Sonia Abiola, informed that the burial ceremony had been scheduled to hold between 1st and 8th December. According to him, associations, professional bodies, as well as religious groups have been allocated various days from Friday 1st to Wednesday 6th December to celebrate the late Amazon who contributed immensely to the growth and development of different groups. Reiterating that the late Iyalode Lawson's legacies cut across all sectors of human endeavors, Chief Abiola said the final program is slated for Thursday, 7th December, with a Christian wake and night of tribute at the Mackay Event Center, Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library, Abeokuta, informing that necessary security measures have been put in place in view of the caliber of people expected at the burial. He noted that the event will be broadcast live on OGBC and OGTV. Cooperate with the government in the quest to transform the state. The effort is for the benefit of all. To inaugurating new permanent secretaries at the ESCO chamber on Monday, Governor Dapo Abiodun reiterated commitment to implementing policies that would enhance the civil service. The special advisor to the governor on security matters, retired AIG Olushola Subaru, at an interface with members of the Nigerian Armed Forces Command and Staff College, JAGI, who are on a study tour of the state, said the government is using multiple approach to tackle cultism and other social vices. You also heard that an entrepreneur, Mr. Ismail Bolanle, has called on stakeholders to prioritize vocational and technical skills to check the high rate of unemployment in the society. The State News was edited by Chris Obu and broadcast